What's up? It's Armando here. Sort of a try something new series. I've definitely made brownies before, especially box brownies. But I'm gonna try to do it with a few slight additions. So we got this box of Crocker's lower sugar brownie mix, double chocolate fudge, very similar to just the regular box, just a little bit less sugar. This is an optional topping, but I got some PB Fit peanut butter powder that I mixed with some water to drizzle on the brownies that I want to eat. I got some non-fat Greek yogurt. I'll be using 114 grams of this. I got egg whites. I'll be using 60 grams of this. So now the Greek yogurt I'm using as a substitute for the oil that this recipe calls for. And the egg whites I'm just going to use instead of the regular whole egg. A little bit less fat, so a little less calories. Optional, but I decided to sprinkle a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Got some non-stick spray that I already coated my baking pan with. And I'm gonna start mixing everything together. It's for Mother's Day weekend for Christina. She wanted brownies. I'm gonna make her brownies. So, Mother's Day weekend, and she wanted brownies. With a few substitutions though. Normally one of these brownies would be 180 calories based off the box recipe, and this is about 105 calories, including mine with some PB Fit powder drizzled on. But let's give it a taste test. Happy Mother's Day, baby. I love you.
Thank you.
It's fudgy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.